Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to see the solution for the complex number question, which is from May June 2010. This is Cambridge A Level Pure Maths 970933. So let's quickly get into the question now. This question is number 8 and it's a total of 4 plus 5, 9 marks. As I keep telling you, please always while solving the board papers, see that you maintain the time. You have to manage the time such that you're not going to take more than the number of marks you see there. Sometimes I do understand when we get stuck on a question, time goes off, but still see your, do your best to see that you manage the time within the marks given to you. So here in this case, it is 9 marks, which means you shouldn't spend more than 9 minutes. So let's quickly move on to the question. This is 2x cube, the equation 2x cube minus x squared plus 2x plus 12 equal to 0 has one root and two complex roots. Showing a working, verify that 1 plus I root 3 is one complex root, state the other complex root. So that's a question. Now we are asked to verify uh, x is equal to 1 plus I root 3. We're going to verify this complex root as a root of this polynomial. So here in this case, the equation given to us is 2x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 12 equal to 0. So let's see what do we need here. We need x cube and x square. So x cube is nothing but x square times x. So let's find what x square is. X square is 1 plus I root 3 whole square. And that is nothing but 1 square. 1 into 1 is 1 square. You can do a normal multiplication also, or you can use a algebraic identity 1 a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. 1 into 1 is 1. I root 3 into I root 3, I square, which is minus 1. Root 3 into root 3, so it's minus 3. So 1 into I root 3 is I root 3, and I root 3 into 1 is I root 3. So you get 2 I root 3. So this will be minus 2 plus 2 I root 3. Now let's quickly calculate x cube. This is nothing but x square times x. And this will give you minus 2 plus 2I root 3 into 1 plus I root 3. So now do a normal multiplication. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 2I root 3 into I root 3. I into I square. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 into 3, 6. This is minus 6. Now 2I root 3 into 1 is 2I root 3. Minus 2 into I root 3 is minus 2I root 3. 2I root 3 will get cancelled. Get minus 8. Therefore, let's plug in these values in this equation. So you have 2x cube minus x square plus 12, 2x plus 12 equal to, we have to show that it is equal to 0. So let's see what we get. So x cube is minus 8 and x square is minus 2 plus 2I root 3 plus 2 into x is 1 plus I root 3 plus 12. So this will give you minus 16. This will give you 2. So minus 2I root 3, 2 into 1, 2 plus 2I root 3 plus 12. So minus 2I root 3 plus 2I 3 cancel. 2 and 2, 4. 4 plus 12 is 16. Minus 16 plus 16 will give you 0. Therefore, 1 plus I root 3 is a root of this equation. Therefore, 1 plus I root 3 is a root of this equation. So, if 1 plus I root 3 is one root of this equation, then its conjugate is also the other root. So, it's asking for state the other complex root. The other complex root will be the conjugate of x, which is x star, which is 1 minus I root 3 is the other complex root. So this is how you solve the first part of the question. So now let's move on to the second part. Here the second part says, on the sketch of an argand diagram, show that the point representing the complex number. So we have to show what is 1 plus I root 3 on the complex, the organ diagram. On the same diagram, shade the region whose points represent the complex number z, which satisfy both the inequalities. So here if you consider, this is nothing but z minus of 1 minus I root 3 less than or equal to 1. Uh, Take out minus common, that becomes 1 plus I root 3 less than or equal to 1. So this is nothing but a circle with the center 1 comma root 3 and the radius is 1 unit. Now this one for the argument less than or equal to pi by 3 is nothing but you have to draw a line which makes an angle of pi by 3 is the positive direction of the x-axis. So let's draw this. So here we're asked to plot the point 1 comma root 3. So this value is 1. The radius is also 1. This is 1 the radius. And here this point is root 3. So the diagram is not down to scale. Let's consider this is 1. And automatically this value is alright. So now, so we are asked to draw the circle. The circle is drawn with the center 1 comma root 3. The radius is also already drawn there. We have to also draw an angle of pi by 3. So if you look at the argument of this complex number 1 comma root 3, it's nothing but pi by 3. So we can draw a line. So that's the argument, and this angle is pi by 3. So here we are looking for the points inside the circle and also within the angle pi by 3. So the region is this. This is the region you're going to shade in the X. So please do not forget to mark the axis. That's a real axis. That's your imaginary axis. So this is how you solve this question. If you like our channel, please subscribe and give a like and comment on it. Thank you.